In this video, I will show you how to add a new worker and set up the minerstat Windows Node software for mining on Windows. First, let's add a new worker to your minerstat dashboard. Workers can be added, removed, and managed from the Workers list. Navigate to Management and then click on Workers. Then click Add New Worker button. Now you will have to name your first worker. You can use lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, dash, and underscore, but the length of the worker's name should not exceed 15 characters. Select a name that will help you easily distinguish between your other workers, for example, Rig001. Next, select the type, which can in your case be either NVIDIA or AMD, depending on your hardware. Please do note that we officially don't support rigs that mix NVIDIA and AMD cards, even though you might get it to work. Then select the system, which is in your case Windows. You can optionally enter additional groups or locations for your worker. Type and system groups like NVIDIA, AMD, MSOS, and Windows will be automatically added to the worker. If you, for example, want to distinguish between all RX 580 and RX 560 GPU rigs, you can use groups RX 580 and RX 560. Enter the selected group name and press space or enter to confirm the group, like this. Click on Add Worker, and your worker will be added to your minerstat dashboard. If this is your first worker, you will be automatically redirected to the worker's profile with installation instructions. If not, you can click on the worker's name or eye icon on the right to enter the worker's profile. Here you can see your access key, worker's name, and button that will download the software. Click on the button, Download Windows Node. You will be met with the thank you page and your download will start. Alternatively, you can also download Windows Node from the main minerstat website, where the installer version and portable zip version are available. It will take up to 30 seconds for Windows Node to be downloaded, and when it is, you can run the installer. If your rig isn't prepared for mining yet, you might need to add a few exceptions to your Windows Defender or antivirus. If you don't know how to do this, you can find the links to the instructions in the description of the video. Follow the steps in the installer, read all the terms and EULA, and install Windows Node on your Windows rig. When you are finished with the installation, run minerstat application, which can be found on your desktop. Windows Node software will open and ask for the access key and worker's name. Enter your access key and the worker's name, which you can find on the worker's profile page. Keep in mind that both the access key and the worker's name are case sensitive. Optionally, you can also select to automatically start Windows Node on Windows Start. Click on the Login button to enter the software. If everything was done correctly, Windows Node will download the required mining clients and you will be able to see your worker online on the dashboard shortly. The worker will start mining to a demo configuration, which I will show how to change in the next video.